Good day and welcome to K-Tutors. At K-Tutors, we demystify pupils' curiosity and help them to enjoy maths. Today, we are going to be learning about the place and the value of digits in numbers. A lot of children confuse this concept, but today, worry less, as at K-Tutors, we are going to demystify this concept. What is the place of a digit in a number? The place of a digit simply tells you or describes the position of the digit in a set of placeholders. When we talk about the place of a digit, we simply talk about the position of that digit, just the position. And if we talk about the value of a digit in a number, we talk about the worth of this digit in the entire number. Now let us consider this scenario. Mehitabel went to the supermarket to buy some items. At the supermarket, what transpired? She asked one of the workers where she could find the items. Now, finding the items, she was directed to one of the counters. So she got her item. So she saw this item at a particular position that describes the place. Getting this item, she discovered something. She discovered that the prices of this item were boldly pasted on the items she picked. What is this telling us? This is telling us that the position of any item or the position of a digit tells you the place of that digit. Where can I find this digit? Is it on the tens place, on the units place, or on the thousand place? While the worth tells you how much a digit is. How much? Okay, it is actually 7 ones. It is 8 ones or 9 ones. Okay, so let's further discuss this. The place of a number answers the question where. Where can I see 2 on this set of numbers? Oh, 2 is on the tens place, the hundreds place, or the thousand place. Okay, now how much is 2 what? Oh, 2 is what? 2 tens. That is 20. Here we have answered the question where and how much. Okay, now let us solve some example to help us understand this. Now, let us identify the place and the value of all the digits in the number below. Okay, so looking at this number, we can partition this number as 1, 2, and 3. I'll put my comma here. And 1, 2, and 3. I'll put my comma here. So I can further partition this by putting 8 in my set of placeholders. Remember last class, right? So the 8 is the units place, the tens, 5, 100, 6, 1000, 7, tens of thousand, 6, hundreds of thousand, 5, millions, 4, and tens of millions, 3. Okay, so let us look at this again. Let's identify the places and values of all these digits here. So we have 34 million. Remember what I taught you last week? So this is the family for million. Okay, so this is 34 million 567,658. 34,567,658. Now, for the 8 here, this 8, what is the place of 8? Just units. Where can I find 8? The units. Look at it here. Okay? But what is the value of 8? How much is 8 worth? 8 is worth 8 ones. So the difference here is you are just introducing the figure here. I'm introducing the figure 8. Or you can as well say just 8. This is the place of 5 here. The place of 5 is 10. Look at it here. The place of 5 is 10. This one. Okay. But how much is 5 worth? Or what is the value of 5? 5 is worth 5 tens. So this is 5. How many 5s are there? 5 tens. And this is it. The place of 6 here is 100. So we have 100 for the place of 6. Well, the value of is 600. You can as well write it like this. What is the place of 7? The place of 7 here is 1000. Okay, I can write the place just 1000 this way, but the value is 7000. Remember, 1000 has 3 zeros. What is the place of 6 here? The place of 6 is tens of thousand. You see, for place is just to write tens of thousand. But for value, telling you the word, you must introduce the figure here. So this is 6 tens of thousand or 60,000 here. For 5, the place of 5 here is hundreds of thousand. Here, this is hundreds of thousand, but the value of 5 is 5 hundreds of thousand or 500,000 here. For million, the place of 4 here is million. So this is, the value here is 4 million, and you can write it this way. Remember, you partition 1, 2, 3, always start from the right. 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma. So the place here is just tens of million because I can find my 3 here. This is the position of 3 here, okay? But the value of 3, how much is 3 what? 3 is what? 3 tens of million. And here is 3 tens of million. I can partition just to confirm what I have written. 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, and 3, comma. So this is 30 million or 3 tens of million. Okay, a lot of children get confused when asked how many tens are in the following numbers. 5,678. But before we solve this, let's consider 10 here. So how many zeros are in a 10? We have just 1 zero. So since we have just 1 zero, we're going to cancel this last digit here, and that is 8. So what numbers do we have left? We have 5, 6, and 7. Then you write your tens. So how many tens are in this number? We have 567 tens. Let's try the next number. Again, we'll go back to 10. How many zeros do we have in a 10? We have just 1 zero. So we remove the last digit there, and that is 9. So how many digits do we have there now left? We have these digits. Okay, so let's write that. We have 4, 5, 6, 3, and 8 tens. So we have 45,638. Okay, so let's try another one. How many thousands are in the following numbers? Okay, now considering 1,000 here, how many zeros are in it? I have 3 zeros, so I'll remove this and I'll remove this. So what do I have left? I have 5, 6, 4, 8 thousands. Okay, so I have 5,648 thousands. These are the number of thousands in this number. Next, again, I'll expunge this, I'll remove this, and I'll remove this. I have 674,000. You can as well write it this way too. Okay, so I have 674,000. These are the number of thousand in this number. Okay, so let's try number 4. I will do just one and let you solve the last one. We have tens of thousand here. For tens of thousand, how many zeros are in a tens of thousand? We have 4 zeros. Okay, so this is 10,000. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again, I will expunge 4 digits out of this number beginning from the right. So I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. What do I have left? I have 5 tens. Tens of thousand. I have 5 tens of thousands. Now, for the last one here, I expect you to solve it and drop your answer in the comment section. This brings us to the end of this class. If you like what we do at Key Tutors, why not share with your friends? Like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on anything. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day. Bye for now.